Me aye, me aye, me aye, sunu benima. 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 Caliapone, Caliapo londo, e Caliapo caluye underbifu conacri. Me aye, me aye, me aye, sunu benima. Hey, if you guys like that, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And if you'd like to learn some of those parts, I will have a tutorial on how to play all those parts. That was my arrangement of a traditional West African rhythm called SUNU or sunun. I'll see you over at patreon.com/Kalani if you're interested in that. In the meantime, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. See you later.